In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the pi symbol into your Microsoft Word document with ease. Whether you're working on a math-heavy paper, creating teaching materials, or simply want to familiarize yourself with symbols in Word, mastering this can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and explore a few methods that will come in handy. First off, open your Microsoft Word file. It's always good to have your document ready so you can follow along and apply these techniques instantly. By getting into the habit of testing new methods while learning them, you'll find that they stick better in your memory. Now let's discuss the first method for inserting the pi symbol. If you have a keyboard equipped with a numpad, you can use a shortcut. While holding down the Alt key, input the numbers 960 on the numpad. If your keyboard setup supports this method, the pi symbol will magically appear in your document. This is a quick and efficient way to insert the symbol without navigating through menus. However, if your keyboard, like mine, doesn't include a numpad, don't worry, there are other ways to achieve this. Moving on to the second method, which involves using the Symbols tool. Head over to the Insert tab on the Word ribbon. Once there, click on Symbols, and then select More Symbols from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up, displaying a wide range of symbols and characters. To streamline your search, change the subset drop-down to Greek and Coptic. This adjustment will filter the symbols, making the pi symbol easier to locate. Select the pi symbol from the list and click Insert to add it to your document. This method is particularly helpful if you're new to shortcuts or prefer using the graphical interface of Word. Lastly, we have the third method, which also makes use of the Insert tab. This time, instead of choosing symbols, navigate to Equations. Once there, you'll find an array of mathematical symbols, including pi, under the Symbols group. Microsoft Word offers a handy selection in the Basic Math category. Select the pi symbol from here, and Word will insert it directly into your document. This approach is ideal if you're already working within an equation environment and you want to maintain consistency in formatting. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered 3 methods for inserting the pi symbol into your Word documents. Having multiple options at your fingertips ensures that, regardless of your keyboard setup or preferences, you can seamlessly incorporate the symbols you need into your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to practice these methods to make them second nature. Thanks for watching and happy typing!